In this video, I'm going to share with you a beginner-friendly step-by-step guide on how you can invest in the stock market. I'm going to be using Trading 212. Trading 212 is a stockbroker investment platform. You can have it as an app on your phone. You can even use the web version. I'm going to use the app version because it's the one I use every day. I told you guys that I've been investing for almost 5 years now. I started during the COVID era and I lost a lot of money, so I've learned a lot over that period. I don't want you to make the same mistakes I made, and that is why I'm sharing this guide. You can also download the guide in the comments if you want something that you can read and follow step by step, but you can watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you what it looks like, what you should press. Everything you need to do. See how I'm laughing? I'm laughing because I'm just happy because the market is doing so well. Yeah, let's share the fun and have fun about it. Now, if you are someone who is totally new to investing, don't worry. Investing is not something that you should be afraid of, especially if you trust the stock or the share that you are going to buy. It's not something you need to be afraid of. Many hedge fund managers and venture capitalists have already created a simple way for you to go about it. They've vetted some stocks and shares and they trust them, and they've floated such instruments on the market, so you can easily just pick those ones up instead of doing the research yourself. But maximum returns involves you doing research and investing in particular stocks. But I will not start with that process. That's what I did. Don't do that. Start with ETFs, mutual funds, and bonds. If you want to understand what an ISA is, then just watch this video. Watch this video here. I explained everything. I'm not going to talk to you about ISAs because I believe you already know what an ISA is and how you can use it as an instrument to build your first 100,000 or 1 million pounds investments for retirement. Now, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Cynthia. I share information that will help your transition abroad to be as smooth as possible. I share information about personal finance, building wealth, and preparing for retirement. I want you to live the life that you deserve when you retire. That's why I'm sharing this information of everything I've learned in the past 10 years of living in the UK. Now, the first thing you need to do is grab the referral code. I have one in the comments. Just click on it and then it will tell you to download the app. Double click and install the Trading 212 app on your phone. Now, once you've installed it, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to open an account. It says open account. Just click on it, fill in your personal details. Just do everything they tell you to do. They would ask you for some documents that you can use to do that. Just choose that you want to use the stocks and shares account. I always suggest that you start with stocks and shares ISA. Yes, that's the one I would suggest you use because, like I said in my previous video, it is tax-free, even capital gains tax-free, everything is free. It's the best instrument for building wealth in the UK. You can always decide to choose the cash ISA if you want to be 100% risk-free. You don't want any stress whatsoever. You just want to put your money in something that would generate a certain amount. That's fine. They'll surely give it to you. That's no problem. But I believe that many people watching me want to increase their wealth. They want to be able to use instruments that can grow above the 3 points, is it 8 or 4 points, something that's Trading 212 is currently giving. Congratulations, you're in. You now have an ISA. Next step is to deposit money. So you have to deposit money from your bank account. Click on deposit money, select the amount you want to invest. You can invest as low as £10, £1, you know. They say it's commission free, so it's something that you can explore. You can decide to start with £100, and it's not bad to start with £100. You can create pies where you share it. You share £100 amongst maybe 10 stocks. Each of them have £10. There's nothing wrong with it. You can create pies on Trading 212. That's why I really love this app. Once you deposit the money in your account, you would see your dashboard. You can see this section is where you can put in cash and to yield interest even in the stocks and shares ISA. You can see the total amount you've introduced. You can see the option of creating a pie. You can see that you can really search for an instrument you're interested in. Look at the lens there, just search. Maybe you're looking for any of the stocks and shares I'm going to share with you. These are ETFs and mutual funds. The first one you can put in your basket that you can buy is the Vanguard S&P 500 ACC. That's the ticker symbol is VUAG. This one tracks the S&P 500. There are 500 top companies in America that are in the S&P, and it's so easy to manage because instead of buying it, all of them individually, all of them are combined into one basket. The next ETF you can buy is Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ACC. That's the ticker symbol is VFEG. I love this one because it's the emerging market. It's not just the American market. So if anything happens to the American stock market, the other part might not be affected as from Europe. So you have this balance, diversifying your portfolio. Next one I bought was the BlackRock Energy and Resources Income Trust, ticker symbol BERI, BERI. I like it because it's energy and resources. It's not just, you know, IT and technology. I like to diversify my portfolio that way. Next one is Invesco FTSE All World, ticker symbol FWRG. I like choosing Accelerate ACC because I feel it's better for me. I want the dividends to be plowed back into buying more stocks and shares. I don't want it to be accumulated and given as cash like that of distribute. So DIS for any of these options involve just giving you the cash out like that. Next one is Vanguard FTSE Developed Asia Pacific X Japan, ticker symbol VDPG. I love it because it is the Asian market. Yeah, that's just what you need to do. You can choose any of these stocks or shares. Remember that the market is at all-time high. Even if there's a correction or a pullback, if you invest consistently every month, in the long run, the thing keeps growing. It keeps growing. That's the thing. And ETFs are protected because there are a lot of stocks in one basket. So if something happens to one of that, it doesn't really affect you that much. There's a lot of stability in ETFs and mutual funds. I also suggest that you buy single stocks and shares. I invest in AI. So if you're interested in my AI playbook, just write AI in the comments. Why I like Trading 212 is because you can easily use the AI option there to read more about the stocks you are trying to explore. You know, it will compare that stock you want to buy with other instruments or competitors. There is a social media aspect there where you can read what they do, but be careful, guys. When they tell you this is going to the moon, it's not going anywhere. I've seen stocks crash to the bottom. I've seen corrections. I've seen pullbacks in this market. So be very careful out there. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing information so that you can start building generational wealth for yourself. Housing is a good option. Buying another house, selling it afterwards, generate more money. It's really cool. But I feel the stock market is cooler. Because you can start with little. It is passive. You just need to put in money there. You are supporting another company to expand their projects. When they make any profits, they give you a bit of the profit. It's more passive than any other option out there. Doing another house, having issues with tenants that do not pay their rent on time. I know it doesn't always happen all the time, but it's fine. Having a rental property is still cool. It's absolutely cool passive income. But I feel the stock market is one of the best things that you can use as a tool to support yourself and prepare yourself for retirement. So write guide in the comments. I will send you the link to my guide, and also you can say AI playbook so I can make a video about the top stocks and shares I'm investing in with regards to AI, because that's the new and emerging market. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.